women leaders from different political parties join body with other stakeholders gather for Abuja on Thursday. All of them get one message: make them pass the special seat bill. The bill they propose make them reserve extra seats for women for Senate, House of Representatives and State Houses of Assembly, so women go get better chance to serve as elected lawmakers. At a national press conference wey Nigerian Women and National Women Leaders Forum of Political Parties organize, Minister of Women Affairs begged Nigeria make them follow other African countries wey don already accept this kind law.
Nigeria has the opportunity to join other African democracies such as Rwanda, Senegal, Tanzania, Uganda that have adopted similar frameworks and recorded measurable results. As the largest democracy on the continent, we have both the obligation and the opportunity to lead by example.
Also speaking, APC National Women Leader talk say the bill dey important well, and she call on all stakeholders make them support them.
At this crucial junction, I call on all stakeholders to rally behind this bill. Members of National Assembly, Senators, and House of Representatives, you have a duty not only to represent your constituents, but also to ensure justice and equity for all Nigerians. Members of the National Assembly, your duty is to support the bill.
Women leaders from other political parties join their voice, say unity na the key as the bill don't reach final stage for National Assembly.
And I'm just using this medium to appeal to my colleagues in the National Assembly to seize this momentum, write their names in gold. The last assembly did not catch up this opportunity and they allowed it to pass them. We're looking for at least one senator per state. We appeal to our distinguished lawmakers. Let this moment be a testament of visionary leadership. The special seat bill is not just a gender-focused reform. It is a democratic necessity, a pathway to equity, and an opportunity to unleash the full potentials of millions of Nigerian women and girls. Let us make history together. Let us choose inclusion. Let us strengthen our democracy by ensuring that women have a rightful place at the table where decisions that shape our nations are made.
We know the Senate President and the Speaker of the House of Representatives, they are fully behind this bill, they are gender-friendly. So please, we are appealing to you to pass the bill.
Before the press conference, the Policy and Legal Advocacy Centre PLAC been hold stakeholder roundtable as the countdown to the vote dey near. PLAC Executive Director thank everybody wey don dey involved in the process and urge them make them no stop to push until they pass the bill.
Thank you everyone. This is everyone's initiative. Most have seen you and I know how much you contributed even during the drafting session. So there's just so much that has to come by everyone. Let's keep it going and let's set the text if we have to. Very polite text because anything that is not polite is not going to help us. Very respectful, I think. So thank you all so much.
Participants for the meeting still share their mind, say the special seat bill will help reduce the wide gender gap within Nigerian politics.
We are saying, if you don't like injustice, and this is historic injustice against Nigerian women, vote for special seats. You know you want a country to work, vote for special seats.
Going to the National Assembly, the legislators are more receptive to us, that we need to engage us, that we need to come to us, and they always said, no, we're your friends, we're supporting you, because of the approach we have used, that we're partners. And even as spoken, it's all like that, oh, you want more women, but the table to put a program.
I'm not sure there is any lawmaker here in the National Assembly that will say they have not been reached. We have tried our best to continue to reach them. So we have to continue to reach them so that we can secure their commitments, whether in public or in private.
As voting time dey near, Women leaders dey beg lawmakers make dem grab dis opportunity and make history by passing di special seat bill.